coming to inspect, but you can't see anything. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are in our extension tower and we are on the second floor of it. And we finished sealing the bottom floor, but we need to get on with the top one since it's still all open. We don't have windows in, we don't have wind barrier on, and we're missing all the bottom framing, all the top framing, a lot of things missing. And we want to start off by putting in a floor so we don't step like this. And well, currently you can't fall down because we did add the ceiling, but we still don't want to step on that new ceiling. It's not meant to be stepped on, it's meant to be holding upwards, not holding your weight. So we want to put the floor, and we don't want to put in a new floor like a wood floor just yet. So we want to put an OSB underfloor. Also, it's going to strengthen out all this area. Of course, it already is pretty strong from the ceiling, but also it's going to make the floor a lot less flexy and a lot more not hollow sounding. So it's going to be really filled. Of course, the insulation is going in as well. So first thing we want to do is we want to get the OSB that is on top of the storage room. So we're going to go there, we're going to take off the insulation, take the OSB and put the OSB here. And the leftover, of course, we're going to use for other projects. And then there is going to go proper sealing after. So let's go remove the insulation and get to the OSB.
Där var det smart det här.
It's that heavy, jeez. Light, but I forgot. So we have undone all the OSBs, they're ready to come off, and we are actually we had the plan to go buy rock wool and then do it, but actually we're just gonna use some of the rock wool from here. And anyways, we want to do one full layer of rock wool all the way through the house, we assume. So we're gonna just take this rock wool, put it there, and then here we're gonna just put fresh one and redo the whole house, of course, with one layer of rock wool. Because we never did the walls properly, we realized that we never insulated over the walls. We just did the ceiling, which is a bit silly because then it just gets through in the gap between the wall and the ceiling. And yeah, so we are gonna take the rock wool first. Let's go remove the boards, take the rock wool, and then the OSB sheets. So let's get on with the boards first.
so we forgot. Luckily we remembered last minute before we put the OSB sheet on top that we want light going down, because I think after it's going to be pretty impossible. Well, it would be possible, but with exposed light. Plus we want to put the light switch there, but that we can do. But we want to drill a hole for the light. Just give it a bit more than you need.
And then downwards, we give it pretty much like that much.
Yeah.
Something like that. It goes till the floor and we have extra. For wiring's sake. How much this one we give extra?
Don't know. So that is for the plug and switch.
Electricity overall, yeah. Plugs, multiple plugs. Probably one on one side, one on the other side, no?
Yeah.
Just in case. You tell me to inspect, but you can't see anything. I hope they were just straight. So silent. I was expecting a bang. But it went on.
Oh, that looks proper.
Insulation.
Looks nice. That did a bang-ish.
Yeah, because it fell on wood. But still was silence.
Perfect.
So as you can see, we are done with the floor. It was kind of easier than we thought. And now it's perfect. Now we can walk. We don't worry about jumping through. And also we have insulated this kind of underneath. So now the bottom floor can be, well, kind of warmer. And also for winter it's ready in theory. We just need to insulate the walls downstairs. We're gonna insulate also probably all this upstairs floor. Even though it's not gonna be lived in, we're just gonna still insulate it. Why not? It's also gonna help with our heat. So much cold doesn't come into the roof area maybe. And we're going to be jumping around a bit from project to project because we have to finish the ceiling in there, so you're going to see that one next. And then we're going to come back to this one again probably. We'll see exactly, we're not sure exactly which project we're doing. We just kind of have to jump around a bit because we needed this OSB. Now we need to put a nice ceiling in there. Anyways, need to be done. So yeah, let's get on with that probably in the next video. So I hope you enjoy. We're going to see you next time. Bye bye. I can't walk away.
Why is it you guys having so much to say again? Always at the ending.
Tibbs.